TourGenie's travel management system is easy to use and is packed with features to simplify the travel process. Are you ready to ease your operational chaos? Then let's get started. All you need to do is to type in the URL that you see on the screen. Once you land on this page, just click on the register button, which you would find on the left. There are some amazing user plans that are perfect for your business. Click here to find out more. We offer a smart user plan, an enterprising user plan, and an engaging hotel homestay owner plan. Each plan comes with access to certain features that will help you manage and market your products efficiently. Once you have decided on a plan you want, click on the register button corresponding to it. Fill in all the relevant details, carefully read the terms and conditions, and then click on register. Now check your email for an activation link that will activate your account. Congratulations! You are now one of the many satisfied users of TourGenie's travel management system. This is a brilliant software that will help you manage your business effectively and profitably.